Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. The first one is a lion. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next one is a dog. This is a dog. The next one is a lioness. This is a lioness. The next animal is a leopard. The next one is a horse. This is a horse. A tiger. This is a tiger. A panda. This one is a panda. A rooster. This is a rooster. A tiger. This is a tiger. The next one is a donkey. This is a donkey. The next one is a leopard. This is a leopard. A zebra. The next one is elephant. This is elephant. The next one is a camel. This is a camel. The next animal is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. A cow. This is a cow.